Welcome to Shripriti Educational Online Classes. So today we are going to see the next part of operator, that is assignment operator in Python. So let's take a look. What is assignment operator? Assignment operators are used to assign values to the variables. These are the operator that is used to perform the operation for assigning the value to the variables. Arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common mathematical operations. Okay, so assignment operator क्या करता है? Assignment operator are used to assign values to the variable. जो assignment operator है equals to, which is used to assign the values to the variable, like a is equals to 25. So a is the operand which have a value 25, right? Which have a value 25. This is to be written here. Okay, so a is equals to 25, print a. So a is equals to 25 is the output, which means the operand a have a value 25, which is assigned with the help of the assignment operator. Basically, the function of assignment operator is used to assign the values to the variables. Plus equals to, it means that it perform an operation and also assign the value to the variable, like a is equals to 25, x is equals to 5. Assignment operator is used to assign the value to the variables, and it also performs some type of operation like x is equals to x plus a, right? This is the meaning of this expression. That means it performs the addition operation onto these two operands. X is equals to x plus a, which is used to manipulate the operands x is equals to x plus a. So a have a value of 25, x have a value 5. So the output comes here, and when we use print, then it will display onto the output screen. Now minus equals to, again a is equals to 25, x is equals to 5, a minus equals to x. That means a is equals to a minus x. That is the assignment operator. An assignment operator is used to assign this type of expression. A is equals to a minus ka x and print a. So a have a value 25 and x is equals to 5. So a 25, x 5, that means 20. So a is equals to 20, right? So the answer comes here. Product equals to, that means assigning a product expression. X is equals to 25, a is equals to 2, x is star is equals to a, x is equals to x star a. Okay, then 25 into 2, then output is 50. Okay, the output is 50. प्रिंट 50 कर देगा जब हम इसमें आउटपुट पे शो करेगा फिर. नेक्स्ट इज डिवीजन इक्वल्स टू, इट असाइन द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ डिवीजन. ओके, सो x स्टार, सॉरी यहाँ पे डिवीजन आएगा, देयर इज अ मिस्टेक. नाउ the division assignment operator. So the division assignment operator gives a division expression which assign the division expression. X is equals to x division sign, division operator, and a. X divided by a. This is the expression. So x have a value 25 and 2 have this value. So it perform the operation, then the value is stored here, value is stored here, then when we print x, it comes here and then it will display here. Floor division assignment operator. So the floor division assignment operator में क्या होता है? X is equals to 25, A is equals to 2, X floor division is equals to A. So the expression is just like this. X is equals to X floor division A, print X, the value that is stored here comes here. When I use print statement, then it will display the output over to the output screen, and the output is 12. X star star equals to, this is exponential assignment operator. So the exponential assignment operator कैसे करेगा कि 25 is to 25 का स्क्वायर, राइट? अगर यहाँ पे 3 होता, if a is equals to 3, तो ये हो जाता x to the power a. This is a basic formula. Then 25 is to 3. Here the expression is like this. X equals to x double star a. Okay. Here a is the power and x is the value. Then print x 625. ये इसका आ गया, जिसकी पावर 25 is to power 2, 625. मॉड्यूलस ऑपरेटर, मॉड्यूलस असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर में आपका कहता है x is equals to 64, a is equals to 3, x modulus equals to a. That means the expression is like this. X is equals to x modulus. That means it display the remainder. It display the remainder. X is equals to x modulus a. So 64 modulus 3. That means that what is the remainder here? So the remainder is 1. So modulus operator always outputting the remainder. Now AND operator, AND assignment operator. So what is the meaning of AND assignment operator? AND assignment operator means both are true. Okay, so x is equals to 10, x and is equals to 5. तो इसको कैसे शो करेंगे? x की वैल्यू 10 है, सिंपली कर लीजिए 1 2, कन्वर्ट करो पहले 1 2 4 8, हमें 10 चाहिए तो 1 1 और ये वाली क्या हो जाएंगी, 0 हो जाएगी. ओके, तो हमारी ये वैल्यू काय की आ गई, ये हमारा 10 को हमने बाइनरी फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर लिया. नाउ वी कन्वर्ट 5 को कन्वर्ट करेंगे. अब हम तो 5 को कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे, तो 5 की हमारा क्या बनता है, देखो 1 1 और ये हमारा 0 हो गया. अब एंड ऑपरेटर, 0 का मतलब क्या होता है, 0 का मतलब होता है हमारा फॉल्स, राइट? और 1 का मतलब होता है ट्रू. Now look at here. 0 और 1, that means एंड ऑपरेशन की कंडीशन होती है बोथ द वैल्यूज ट्रू होगी तभी कंडीशन ट्रू होती है. तो यहाँ पे अभी 0 ही आएगा, देन अगेन 0 आएगा, अगेन 0 आएगा, अगेन 0 आएगा. तो आंसर क्या हुआ कि सब 0 0 आ रहा है, तो क्या आएगा 0. दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर इज, जब इसमें स्टोर हो जाएगा सो आंसर इज 0. एक्सप्रेशन कैसे लिखेंगे हम इसकी? x इज इक्वल्स टू x एंड ऑपरेटर, ओके, एंड ऑपरेटर, फिर उसके बाद 5. x की जो वैल्यू है उसको बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करो, 5 की वैल्यू को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करो, एंड देन व्हाट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ एंड ऑपरेटर, उसको अप्लाई करो. नाउ वी कम ऑन टू द और ऑपरेटर. अब और ऑपरेटर में क्या है कि कंडीशन क्या होती है कि दोनों कंडीशन में से एक कंडीशन भी अगर ट्रू हो जाती है तो ट्रू हो जाता है. जैसे ट्रू और फॉल्स है तो क्या हो जाएगा, ट्रू हो जाएगा. अगेन क्या हो जाएगा, हमने यहाँ कन्वर्ट करके देख ही लिया है कन्वर्जन. तो 10 की क्या हो जाएगी बाइनरी, 10 की बाइनरी डिजिट्स हो जाएंगी हमारे पास 1 0 1 0, और 5 की क्या हो जाएगी 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, राइट. अब इसकी क्या कंडीशन होती है और की कंडीशन क्या होती है कि if one if the one if the one condition is true then it becomes true. ठीक है, तो 0 1 मतलब कि ये 1 हो गया, ये भी 1 हो गया, ये भी 1 हो गया, ये भी 1 हो गया. अब जरा इसे कन्वर्ट कर लेना. कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे इसको, 1 2 4 8. अब इसको कन्वर्ट कर लो तो कैसे बनेगा हमारे पास, इसमें आ जाएगा 8 और 4 12, 13 14 और 15. सो द आउटपुट इज 50. So here we are going to see left shift assignment operator. तो left shift में क्या होता है, x is a variable which store the value 20 and y is another variable which store the value 2. So here the expression for this x y, this is expression. When we write it, it means that x equals to x left shift operator y, right? So 20, that means x variable. Here we are doing in left shift assignment operator में हम क्या करते हैं, here we are going to do multiply. So x हो गया हमारे पास into 2 to the power y. So this is the formula for calculating the answer in left shift assignment operator. Here you can see x, I have a value of x is 20, okay, and 2 to the power 2 bits, y 2. So 20 into 4 is equals to 80. Suppose if you have x is equals to 20 and now you shift for 3 bits. So y is equals to 3, right? So x is equals to 20 and 2 to the power y. So here we have y is equals to 3, that means 20 into 8, right? So the answer is 160. Now we will see it in a practical way. Now here I am taking a variable x is equals to 20 and the y is equals to 3 to check the answer that I was calculated previously. Then x left shift equals to left shift में y, then print x and run the program. Be calculated. Okay. So this is the output. Now we are going to see right shift assignment operator. Now the right shift assignment operator which assign the value. So here you can see x have a value 20 and y have another value 2, and the expression is x right shift operator assign y. So for calculating this, here we are going to do division. In right shift operator, always remember we are doing division, and in left shift operator we have done multiplication. Okay, so whatever the number is given in the second variable, so you have to just 2 to the power and put the value in place of power. But in case of right shift operator, we are going to do division. So 20x and y 2 to the power 2, right? So answer is 5. Suppose if we have some another variable values, x is equals to 30 and y is equals to 3, and we have to do division. So 30, यहाँ पे 30 लिया है हमने, 30 divided by 2 to the power 3. So 30 or 8, 3, okay, so the answer is 3 because it gives the answer in integer form, not in a float. So let's check out. Now we have done the calculation of right shift assignment manually, but now we do it in a practical way. So I'm taking x is equals to 30 and y is equals to 3, and then x right shift operator is equals to y. Print x and then run the program. So the answer is 3. We have already calculated 3 because it is an integer. If we specify that we want the answer in float, then we have to specify that we have already discussed in our previous lecture how to specify. Thank you. So please stay safe at your home during coronavirus and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for the latest updates.